How much dressing do we have?
65 ounces.
So, if we have a total of 65 ounces of dressing, is it possible for us to have 146.25 ounces of olive oil?
That's too much. What am I thinking? The amounts of oil and vinegar have to add up to 65?
Exactly. Maybe you can begin thinking of it focusing on the word parts. If the proportion is 90 parts of olive oil to 40 parts of vinegar, how many total parts do we have?
Well, 90 plus 40 is 130, so there must be 130 parts.
Right. So, what fraction of the parts is olive oil?
Well, there are 90 parts of olive oil and a total of 130, so the fraction must be 90 over 130. Can I reduce it?
Sure.
That would be 9/13, and the fraction for the vinegar would be 4/13.
Great. I think it would be a good idea to imagine a container holding the dressing. How many ounces should we assume it holds?
65?
Yes. If we know that 9/13 of the dressing is olive oil, how can we find the amount in ounces?
I can multiply 9/13 by 65. It's 45
What is 45?
ounces of olive oil.
Can you explain it to me?
Well, separating the dressing into 13 sections means that each section has 5 ounces in it. Since 9 of those sections are olive oil, I know that 9 sections of 5 is equal to 45.
That makes sense. Can you use the same strategy to find the amount of vinegar?
Yup. 4 sections of 5 ounces would make 20 ounces. Now that makes sense. 45 plus 20 is 65.
Excellent. Before we leave, let's look at your proportion once more. You had set it up as 49 is equal to 65 to x. What was that proportion actually saying?
I'm not sure. 4 to 9 is 65 to x. Does that mean that 65 is 4 parts, so x must be 9 parts?
Yes. 146 and 25 hundredths was referring to the amount of olive oil if we would have had 65 ounces of vinegar.
Gotcha. So we're getting out of here before this place is blown to bits.
Good idea.